Good health isn't built at overnight. In today's fast-paced world, choosing a healthy lifestyle and healthy diet is very important, isn't it? As people become more health conscious, they'll turn into a more natural and nutritious food. One such superfood that gained a popularity, the name of that seed is Halim Seeds. So about this Halim seed, we already talked on that past video. If you didn't check that video, please do check. The link is down in the description box. But in today's video, I'm going to share one of the simple recipe that everyone need to consume or had in their daily lifestyle routine to change the entire health and turn into a super healthy, fit and fine happy. When you are healthy, of course you will be happy and your confidence will be very high. These tiny seeds packed a powerful natural pouch. These tiny seeds can change your lifestyle. It is a good healthy diet which promotes antioxidant, ensures the nutrition that consumed overall health. Halim seeds are tiny seeds that called green grass plant. It's rich in iron, calcium, protein, fiber, vitamin C, antioxidant and regulate the menstrual cycle. So as we look at the nowadays women and the girls, many people are suffering with the irregular period. Why this is all happening? Because of too much stress, attention, bad lifestyle, bad sleep, bad food and many other reasons are there. But if you are a woman or a girl who are suffering with irregular period, PCOD, difficult to manage your weight, iron deficiency, calcium deficiency, vitamin C and hair loss, then this is the one recipe which I'm going to show. You have to consume it every day. It's very simple, that the thing is you have to be consistency. So any health choice or any lifestyle changes, any changes should happen in your life, that happens only when you are consistency with that. If there is no consistency, it's always the result will be a big zero. Don't be a zero, become a hero by yourself to adding a good lifestyle. So let us see how to do this recipe or how to do this easy drink. Take one bowl and I am adding a 4 spoon of Halim seeds as I am preparing for 4 people this drink. If you are a one person drinking, just 1 spoon is enough. If you are preparing for 2 people, just put a 2 spoon of Halim seed. Per person, 1 spoon is enough. Don't take a more. And add a glass of water. Mix it well. And close this. Let it soak overnight. This is how it looks at next day morning, full of jelly texture. So if this texture is there, then it's completely perfectly soaked. Just keep this aside. Now switch on the flame and put the vessel. Into that vessel, add this soaked Halim seed. So let it boil and add a small amount of water and let it boil completely for 3 minutes. Once it starts boiling, you can see a bubbles over the side. At this moment, I am adding a 3 spoon of jaggery and mix it well. Even you can use the sugar or else honey. If you are a person using a honey, just at this moment, once it start boiling, off the flame, once it get into a cool down normal temperature, you can mix the honey and lemon juice and drink it. Once I'm adding jaggery, I'll going to mix it till it get completely mixed with the Halim seeds. Keep on stirring because it might get little more thicker as it is in a jelly texture. After adding a jaggery, let it boil for 2 more minutes. Later, off down the flame and let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it become a cool, here I am adding 1 small glass of milk and mix it well. Wow! Meet our Halim Seeds drink, which is packed of many nutrients. This drink can change your lifestyle because it has packed with many nutrients like iron, magnesium, antioxidant, fiber, calcium, iron, protein, and everything. Just drink this every day at empty stomach and see the change. Say goodbye for all the issues. This is just a small drink that you have to consume every day at early morning with empty stomach. If you are okay, you can make even a laddu with that. Even you can do a protein bar with that. If you are okay, you can just consume an empty drink which I showed in the video, because Halim seeds are a very simple tiny seeds which packed up many nutrients, calcium, iron and etc. Halim seed is a simple way to give your body enough nutrition, because healthy life now is a great investment for your future. Combination of the yoga, good food, good lifestyle, good sleep, they can valuably change your lifestyle and they can valuably change your lives too, because now your health is a big investment for your future. So with this positive note, I am ending this video. I'll be back with other videos. See you on next video. Take care. Have a great day. Namaste. Bye bye.
ಲೋಕ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು, ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳಾನಿ ಭವಂತು.